Welcome to my channel Delight Redefined. Today I am going to read out a beautiful story which teaches us thank you technique. Gratitude is essential to bring in more into our life. We all know we should be thankful for all we have in our life right now. But do you know we should also feel the feelings of gratitude for prayers which have not answered yet? Yes, you heard me right. If we become thankful for the things we will love to receive, we will actually receive them. But what about the thoughts of doubts? We will get the answer in this story. This technique can be applied in any area, for your study, job, career, relationship, or in short, in any aspect of our life, we can apply this technique. So let me start this beautiful story from the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Let me read the story. Recently, a young mother told me of her experience with this technique. She said, "I was out of work and broke with 3 small children to feed and clothe. I didn't know where to turn. Then I heard you explain that we should be thankful even before our prayers are answered. It was as if a light had gone on in my mind. I knew I had to try this." Every night and morning for about 3 weeks, this woman repeated the words, "Thank you, Father, for my wealth." She did this in a relaxed, peaceful manner and continued until the feeling or the mood of thankfulness dominated her mind. She imagined she was addressing the infinite power and intelligence within. Though she knew, of course, that she could not literally see the creative intelligence or infinite mind. She was seeing with the inner eye of spiritual perception, realizing that her thought image of wealth was the first cause, relative to the money, position, and food she needed. Her thought feeling was the substance of wealth. By repeating "Thank you, Father" over and over, the woman's mind and heart were lifted up to the point of acceptance. When thoughts of lack, poverty, and distress came into her mind, she would say again, "Thank you, Father," as often as necessary. She knew that as she kept up the thankful attitude, she would recondition her mind to the idea of wealth. This is exactly what happened. This mom's prayer had an interesting sequel. Shortly after she began to pray in the way just described, she met a former employer on the street whom she had not seen in 5 years. The former employer offered her a responsible, well-paid position. He even advanced her a temporary loan to tide her over until her first paycheck. As she said to me, "I will never forget the amazing power of thank you, Father. It has worked wonders for me." Did you like the story? Thank you so much for listening to me. For more such stories, stay tuned. Stay positive, stay happy. We will meet again in our next video. Take care.